today, you'll see an exciting face-off between two top gravity water filter brands. In the blue corner, we have Clearly Filtered Pitcher, an easy-to-carry filter on a budget with performance certifications. And in the red corner, we have Big Berkey, which uses multi-stage filtration to tackle heavy metals, but is costly and faces many controversies for its contaminant removal claims. So, in this video, we will analyze them on 4 critical factors to see which is better for your tap water. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1. Contaminant Removal. Clearly Filtered uses activated carbon block filtration media to remove PFAS. Independent tests show it can remove 100% of fluoride, uranium, lead, copper, 86% barium, 67% strontium, and 53% molybdenum. However, it did a poor job of reducing just 11% nitrate and 3% sulfate. In contrast, Big Berkey uses a multi-stage filtration to remove PFAS. The independent tests show Berkey can remove 100% lead, copper, and manganese, but it added aluminum and water. Wirecutter found it only removes 13% chloroform, but recent tests show it can remove 100% of that VOC. It also removed other disinfection byproducts. Still, it can only remove 50% fluoride. It can only remove 3.23% of cobalt. Clearly Filtered wins this round as it can remove fluoride and doesn't add aluminum to water. Round number 2. Water flow rate. The flow rate of the Clearly Filtered pitcher is 2.27 gallons of water per hour. It is available in one size with a 10-cup water filter pitcher. It is made of Triton plastic material, which makes it more sturdier and lightweight than other pitchers. Meanwhile, the flow rate of the Berkey system is 0.75 gallons of water per hour. It has a wide range of sizes to choose from that can be used with its black Berkey elements and fluoride filters. The water chambers in the Big Berkey are constructed of stainless steel, which makes it durable, but spigot and filter mods are still made of plastic. Clearly Filtered wins this round as it has a better water flow rate and component quality. Round number 3. Ease of installation and maintenance. Clearly Filtered offers an easy and quick setup. It has 3 main components: the pitcher, the upper reservoir, and the filter. Wash and assemble the pitcher, attach the filter to the priming bag, and repeat the priming process. It suggests changing its filters every 4 months for optimal performance, and they can filter up to 100 gallons of water. Clearly Filtered pitcher has a higher long-term maintenance cost, with filter cartridges priced at $0.55 per gallon. On the other hand, Berkey systems can be tricky to install and maintain due to their design and size. Users often struggle with assembling and cleaning them, making them less convenient to use. Some people have reported leaks and water spills from the rubber spigot. To avoid changing the filters too often, you need to clean the Berkey filter regularly with a Scotch-Brite pad every 3 to 6 months, which improves the flow rate by removing some of the accumulated debris. The Big Berkey offers a filtration capacity of approximately 3,000 gallons per cartridge, and its filter cartridges are priced at a minimal rate of $0.13 per gallon. Clearly Filtered wins this round as it is easy to set up and doesn't have many leakage issues. Round 4. Certification and customer support. Clearly Filtered pitcher is certified by WQA against NSF standards 42 and 53 for chlorine and PFAS. It's also NSF 372 certified to be lead-free. It provides fast customer support through phone and SMS. You also have the option to utilize the live chat feature on their website for addressing your questions or submitting your grievances. It is backed by a 24-month warranty, leaving customers satisfied. On the contrary, the Big Berkey doesn't have any official certification, which raises doubts about how well it can remove contaminants. It is also banned in California and Iowa because they have strict standards when it comes to water filtration, and Berkey filters do not meet them as its claims and actual results are totally opposite. It provides technical support via phone during their office hours. You can also utilize their 7-days-a-week message and chat facility on the website. Big Berkey water filters goes one step further, offering a lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects. Clearly Filtered wins this round as it's WQA certified and isn't banned anywhere. Final winner. Based on all rounds, we declare Clearly Filtered as the winner as it's performance certified and budget friendly. whereas Berkey is uncertified, difficult to use, and adds aluminum to water. So there you have it, a detailed comparison between a clearly filtered pitcher and a big Berkey filter. If you found this video helpful, please do like and share, and we'll be back with another exciting face-off between two top water filter brands.